Hello mga ni, it's been a while since I uploaded my last reel here in my page. I was depressed lately in some circumstances that shouldn't be. So here we go, let's visit Narcis Clinic. I will pamper myself because sabi nila, loving yourself starts from within. Self-love, kumbaga. So, here we go. This is Ate Sheila. Napakagaling mag-laser. So, I will do whole body laser treatment. Kasi mabalahibo ako. Maganda pala pag wala kang balahibo. Ang flawless tingnan. Yun lang, tiis ganda. If you're here in Najaran, nasa Faisalia itong nurses clinic. Near siya sa Little Caesar, malapit sa Bank Francie. If you want to avail, meron silang Facebook page, meron ding Instagram, and good news, meron na sila sa Tamara. You can avail some treatment with sale. Meron silang mga Carboni. Na-try ko na yung Carboni before and I miss it. Gusto ko ulitin. Pero mahal eh. Kaya tis muna tayo sa sale. Inshallah, next time may sale, mag-carboni tayo. Meron na rin akong uploaded na tungkol sa carbon laser sa aking YouTube channel. Visit nyo para meron kayong knowledge about it. As a hardworking nurse, strong, independent woman, sometimes kailangan natin have time to ourselves to relax, to unwind, and pamper ourselves. For me, this is the one of my stress reliever, and sometimes having coffee with my friends. Each one of us, we have ways to handle our difficulties in life, but always don't forget to pray and self-love. Yun lang. Take care. God bless. Thanks for watching.